Trailmater, that's the name of the channel and the truck.
The PGP Auto Show. Just rolled by this, want to check it out. This guy just got a trophy. Off-road recovery tow truck here. Heck yeah. Look at that. This is definitely the sickest custom truck here. I love how you get the front winch side winch on the other side, and a rear winch. Well, of course a rear winch. 4 winches, babe. Here's the back one. Yeah. Pretty rad. Solid axle trailer. No suspension.
Trailmater, that's the name of the channel and the truck.
Awesome. How many years does it take you to build this truck, or how long you owned it?
Well, it's still a work in progress, but yeah, I think she's been going for 5 years now.
Sweet. Well,
So yeah.
looks like you're getting a lot of work done with it, and
Oh yeah,
she's a money maker.
Stays busy.
All right, man. And we'll drop that link down below. Trailmater.
Yeah, thanks,
All right.
sir.
Definitely worth checking that out. That's at the Spanish Trail Arena. Now we got to make some miles.